Now to our top story. The deadly flu epidemic strikes New York City once again.
This time the virus has killed a 5-year-old Brooklyn girl. CBS 2's Reena Roy live outside Brookdale Hospital in Brownsville with the latest. Reena?
Well, Cindy and Andrea, sources say it initially seemed like the average flu, but quickly took a turn last night when that little girl's mother found her unconscious in their Brooklyn home. She was then rushed here to the hospital where she died, and she is one of 4 New York City children who have passed away after getting the virus. New York City on high alert this season, with people everywhere trying to stay flu-free as the numbers continue rising.
It looks like we're on track to break some recent records.
More than 60 children nationwide have been killed by the disease compared to 20 this time last year. 4 young lives have now been taken here in our city, including a 5-year-old Brooklyn girl. Sources say she had flu-like symptoms on Friday, and medicine was able to bring her high fever down, but it rocketed right back up. Saturday evening, her mother found her unresponsive, calling 911. Emergency workers rushed her to Brookdale Hospital, where she later died. It's unclear if she was vaccinated, but with more than 2 months left in the season, officials say everyone should be. This announcement now reminding commuters on subways.
If you have not already, consider getting a flu shot.
This year's severity now rivals the 2009 swine flu pandemic. The latest report from the Centers for Disease Control shows 1 out of every 13 visits to the doctor last week was for flu-like illness.
As of this week, we have more hospitalizations than we've seen in any recent season, including the severe 2014-15 season.
Local health professionals like Dr. Michael Tuggetman in the Bronx have noticed the uptick.
We're seeing an average of about 150 patients a day.
And as for that little girl, the medical examiner will now determine her cause of death. We're live in Brownsville, Brooklyn this morning. Reena Roy, CBS 2 News.